David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988. Here we have a 1982 Porsche 911 SC 3 litre. Has the iconic whale tail, the Fuchs alloys. It's out of long-term ownership. The last owner had this car 26 years. A lot of work has been carried out to it. The interior is all in very proper order. The seats have been reupholstered in the correct Porsche material, both front and rear. Dash is unspoiled, presents very well. There's a more modern stereo fitted, original steering wheel. She's 126,000 miles. Driver's door card, original. There's the factory sunroof. The headlining is original and the carpets on both could do with replacing to complete the interior. The front bonnet area is all good, clean, straight and sound. Has the pump-up spare wheel. Good solid inner wings. Here's under the fuel flap. And the engine was rebuilt some years ago. Let's go with the spin. Very reliable. This car starts first time, nearly every time. Pulls away very briskly. Has the older type gearbox with the change is still nice and tight. Brakes very well in the straight line. There's some sort of aftermarket exhaust on this, gives it a lovely sound. Not too obtrusive though when you're in fifth gear cruising along. A lot of 911s this era have had multiple owners. I've seen them with like 20 owners. This one is exceptional. The last owner has had this car since 1996. Yes, that's an incredible 26 years custodianship. During that time, it's always been a second car. He's had many trips overseas, went to France in it a few times, toured around Ireland, and spent a lot of money keeping the car in good, reliable condition. That's a full engine rebuild some years ago by a Porsche specialist. Unfortunately, is no longer with us, but the receipts are all there. It had a lot of body work quite recently, and in terms of calipers, discs, tyres, that sort of thing, they've been replaced on an ongoing basis. Everything's working, all the instruments are working, car drives nice and tight. It's ready to hop in and use, give somebody else an awful lot of pleasure, and there's still a little room if you want to improve it a bit further. The original carpets are still in the car. Seats have been recovered in the proper Porsche material. Headlining is the original as well, also just a little bit shabby compared to the new seats. But other than that, this car is 90% done and ready for the next person to take on and enjoy. Price of this stunning iconic Porsche is €49,950. A really, really smart example. I think it's great value. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on TRUSTPILOT in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.